Hello, my beaches. What's up? I am Pratha and welcome to today's video. You know what? I'm so happy that I've got these smaller packagings in Rini perfumes, and you guys were requesting for these so much that I had to get them. I am so glad that they are giving out these 15 mls, which is just perfect if you want to just try out the fragrance first. You can buy them for under 300 rupees and will be good to go. Or if you like them enough and don't want to carry a full bottle, you can always buy a travel size like these. So they have 3 sizes available, which is amazing. And let's discuss this more and let's quickly get into this video. Let's talk about Dark Desire first. And so, this one, I haven't read out the notes. I'm just quickly sitting here to do this quick review in front of you. It's a very fruity and sweet fragrance, and it has the same vibe like that of La Vie Belle, but on my skin it very much reminds me of a fragrance from Paris Corner, which was actually a dupe for La Nuit Trésor. So it's exactly that. It has this powdery muskiness in the dry down with a lot of fruity and patchouli sweetness to it, but more on the sweeter side. And you guys had bought it so readily and so quickly with my recommendation. It was La Nuit Pandora, which was available in small packaging on Flipkart before, but it's again out of stock because I think Paris Corner has stopped selling in India. So this very much reminded me of that fragrance, and for all those who liked that fragrance and had a smaller packaging in it but now want a fuller one in it, so this has very much a vibe of the La Vie Belle, sort of like La Vie Belle and La Nuit Trésor are kind of the same family fragrances, just that La Nuit Trésor is more powdery, sweet and dense, and same is the case with this one. So it's not similar to Red Vanilla from Zara, but it is very much similar to La Nuit Pandora. Same kind of slight syntheticness in it, but La Nuit Pandora was very long lasting. My mom still has it. I gave it to my mom because she really liked Red Vanilla, and I was like, if you like it so much, I'm gonna give you a stronger version of it. So yes, very much like that, but not as strong and not as long lasting. That one stays for an entire day. This is just going to last for around 2.5 hours on your skin, around 4.5 hours on your clothes, nothing more than that. You're getting what you're paying for. These are very affordable fragrances. I have got these decants for around 250 rupees if I'm not wrong, or something like that. So yeah, very, very affordable, or I think 199 rupees. I will leave the purchase links in the description. What I want to say here is that for the price, the quality that you're getting is not bad, and I'm really liking it from that point of view. It is slightly synthetic, but not as synthetic that it just, I gag or I just feel irritated after putting it on. I can definitely put this one on and enjoy it for the price that this is. All those who are on a budget, like school-going girls, college-going girls, or anybody who is on budget and want a nice smelling fragrance, they can definitely go for this fruity, sweet, powdery fragrance combination, which is kind of winter friendly because it's quite sweet and quite powdery and quite dense and musky as well. So yes, moving on to the next one, and the very, very requested fragrance, which is Bloom, because this is said to be a dupe for Carolina Herrera's Good Girl, and I cannot agree enough because when I sprayed it on myself, it very much reminded me of Cool Girl from Paris Corner again. Very similar to that, but again, like how Paris Corner's Cool Girl turns a little synthetic and a little too cologne on my skin, same is the case here as well. It's super musky, a little synthetic, a little cologne, like a slightly synthetic version of Carolina Herrera for sure. So I am not saying that you're getting the best quality out here. You're getting a very similar quality to that of Paris Corner fragrances if you have used any of that before, or if you have won it in a giveaway prize from me, then you will know what I'm talking about. So the quality is not bad, like if I compare the prices of Paris Corner and this right here, because Paris Corner none of the fragrances used to be less than 1500 rupees. So minimum price was 1500. It could have gone up, but here you're getting it in very, very less price and getting the same kind of quality like that one. Quite a good deal. But if you will ask me, because I promised you guys that I will do a comparison sort of when I receive my fragrance. If I talk about Deep Garden from Zara, this is my preference, guys. I mean, I know it's higher in price, but if I compare it to Bloom, this is, oh my god, this is love. This is richer, denser, smoother, sweeter, and closer to Carolina Herrera. Trust me on that, because if I have to pick one out of these two, I will any day go for Deep Garden. I just feel that this is so much more close to Carolina Herrera than this. This is more like a cologne, lighter, muskier version of that. And again, the longevity on this is 2 to 4 hours considering clothes, but I do genuinely feel that Deep Garden from Zara projects more, and because these have very, very mild projection, they are not very much out there sort of fragrances, because Paris Corner fragrances used to be very loud. These are not that loud. They are more like mildly projective fragrances. You'll really have to overspray these. But if I compare these two, the projection on Zara Deep Garden is so much more, and it lasts longer than Renee fragrances. So I'm just comparing it. If budget is your preference, you can go for Renee fragrances and keep on touching up the fragrance again and again. But if quality, like better quality, closer dupe is your preference, then I would say you go for Deep Garden, because this is just so beautiful, guys. It's less musky. It's more on the, deeper side and sweeter side, and the white florals like mixed with this sweetness is so perfectly done in here, which is not that well done in Renee. This is so much more beautiful, guys. Genuinely, this is so good, and loving Deep Garden. But if you're on a budget, these are also not bad. Quality on these is any day better than these two. I don't know if they launch anymore, but for now I can say that the quality on these is better than Westside and Dressberry, Naika Moi. So they are coming off as better fragrances than those. They might not give you that much of longevity and projection, but yes, they're not like super synthetic fragrances, which I'm liking about them. They are synthetic in a way, but still better than these brands that I just mentioned. So yes, I'm liking them from that point of view. And you have the option of trying the fragrance first in these tiny bottles. So I will leave the purchase links in the description bar below, and I hope this video somehow helped you and will help you making a better decision about which Carolina Herrera dupe you want to buy. Keep looking beautiful, keep smelling good, and have a great day.